All right, Nigel, you want to see what we're doing?
What you got us doing, Gabe?
We are turning trucks
Why?
into slides, and I know exactly how we're gonna do it. But a huge shout out to Anders Skoggs. So I think what we have to do is do it.
Well, then you go ahead and do it.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. All right, so we're gonna take you along for the ride. We're gonna build this and probably have a few iterations that fail, and ultimately we're gonna have a version that succeeds that Nigel will still talk about. And
that's what I'm waiting for.
And here we are. You believe in me?
No. Why are these here?
It's like I don't know what I'm doing or something like that. These are some of the finest cuts I've ever seen in Braille history. There's cut one. So the key now is cutting the strips to go underneath in the little 2-inch pieces, and I'm pretty sure it'll fit fine. Man, I'm so close. So close. So close. I just need longer hardware. Dang it. All right, I'm gonna pause this for a minute. All right, we're here day 2. It didn't work. I failed. But I will not give up because there's a billboard and a shirt that says never give up, Rick. So we're gonna get this done. The bane of my existence. The bane to my Batman. I will figure this out. Oh my God. I also think I threw out my back. I gotta make some minute cuts, and I think that'll put me right where I need to be. All right, so we've built this incredible contraption to get some more fine cuts, and now I think this is it.
Genius idea by Rick.
Thank you, Rick. I was saying, this might not be a good idea, it might be the best idea you've ever had.
I mean, look at these clean cuts though.
Come on, bro.
Surgical precision.
You guys, I freaking did it. I really did it. The cuts worked. Check it out. I did it. Look at it. It's legit. All right, so we got 4 holes pre-sunk. All right, we got 2 smaller pieces of board right here. No screws to worry about breaking. We freaking did it. You know what? No, I freaking did it. With the help of Rick's one very, very good idea. And now I'm gonna go show the team, see what they think, and we're gonna try it out. A huge shout out to right here on Instagram for this incredible idea. That was so smart, so fun. And let's see if this skateboard hack actually works. All right, Nigel Jones. I made the prediction that you would check this out, see it, still talk about it. What you got to say?
Well, I mean, it's you, so of course I've got to say something negative.
But it's not too shabby though.
Nah, it's trash, bro. Why does this stick out so long compared to all the other ones?
So the premise of this is that you eliminate the metal trucks and you just nose slide or tail slide everything.
So, are you saying a 50-50? JD!
Hey, shut up!
Does it look like I care? Sit down!
Hey, you on timeout.
Sit down, JD! So does that mean 50-50s are now either a nose slide or tail slide, depending on what you want to call it?
Technically, 50-50 is a what is it? The banana split or the banana slide? The nose and tail?
It's definitely like very weird to pop. Would touch the ground?
Sounds like it's about to break, Cruz.
What if we do roll on 50-50? Roll on right there.
You forgot to lock in.
I mean, there is really no lock. Can I?
It needs wax.
Oh, really? Oh, yeah. I guess that makes sense.
You want to sign it real quick? Am I part of your video?
Yeah. Would you like to say hi to the video?
Hello, everybody. YouTube and whoever's watching. What's up? It's
That's
FedEx here.
Let's go.
You got a skate trick?
We know how to scoot.
We got a scooter for you. Here we go. Here we go.
With the glasses on?
Yeah.
I'll try it. Tailwind.
Oh! You got it. You got it. Yeah.
That counts, right?
One more. One more.
Let it.
Yeah!
I did it.
Let's go.
Thank you, my
Oh,
man.
yeah. Hey, you have a good one, man. Thank you. No. Oh, it was this. It was these two.
Dang
Damn.
Let me pop out before that then.
Hey, that's low-key buttery. Butter!
So weird.
Does it feel?
It feels like a no slide.
But your weight's all weird.
Yes.
And it's on, okay. Hey,
Does it really?
if it worked,
My back truck.
hey, I have had many losses over the years. This right here, just one landed 50-50 without breaking is a complete win in my book.
Should stop selling these, Cruz.
Dude, for real. No, this is not my idea though.
Should I try on the rail, like 50?
Oh, that's where the rail is. Yeah, I feel like this is gonna fully change your 50s because you're not really locking in at all. You're just kind of riding.
Oh my God, that's deadly. It's actually kind of deadly.
It's like you're on a snowboard.
Yeah.
I mean, you wouldn't be able to lock into an axle stall on like a quarter pipe. Technically. Oh! We recreated the dumbest skate hack on the internet. Oh, dude, you still cross-lock that. We got a poser. Oh. Oh my God. This is Rick's hardest 50-50. Oh my God.
That's good though.
Dang. What the?
I'm telling you, you're creating a pinch in the wood.
Oh my God. Late shove down the 3 block. 4 nice skin? Okay. Oh my God!
I missed it.
Give me that ski.
I got you. All right, Rick, you are really challenged right now. Oh, dude. That was sick. Oh my God.
Yeah, all right, I'll just 50 just the end.
Oh my God. Oh!
All right, terrible life hack. JD, here you go. Put some energy into this, brother.
What do you think, Rick? Terrible?
Terrible.
Terrible.
Extremely.
What would you rate it out of 10?
0 out of 10.
The study of Primo.
Again! Okay, I gotta flip slower.
You know why that's happening? I'm just kidding, I have no idea. All right, what do you want to try on this?
Oh! Let's go to the miniature ramp.
Oh, man, here we go.
Like a champion that he is, let's see if he can knock out some tricks on this weird, wacky skateboard we have here today.
Okay. Boom, 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 boom. Wait. Boom, 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 boom.
Oh, okay. I mean,
Kind of slides.
it kind of works, I think. Oh!
It's not bad.
What? No! No, no, no! No! What broke?
Oh, just this.
Oh, the truck?
Yeah, that's not bad.
Oh, okay.
And then
If you do an axle stall, technically it's a nose and a tail stall.
I felt so crazy.
There's only one more test we need. We need the slappy test.
You, Ricky.
Oh, what the heck? Oh! All right, so you know how uncomfortable it is to grind down that. How was the slide?
Honestly, getting into the slappy was better than normal, but the slide, I was terrified that it was just gonna go. But this wasn't as bad as the rail. That still got a little bit on it.
All right, so overall, out of 10, what would you rate?
Overall, 0 out of 10. Never ever do this no matter what. Do not do it.
Rick, JD, what's your rating out of 10?
A 4 or 5. Yeah, I'll say 5.
All right, Uzi, you just got here, but I still want your rating out of 10.
7.
If you 50 on the rail first try, I'll give you 10 bucks.
Be careful, brother.
I don't think it can happen.
Ricky already did it.
You say first try 50, 10 bucks.
Yeah. Rick, what you think?
I think he's going downtown. I want you to take the money, but I don't have faith.
If he lands this, he might have to give it a real 10 out of 10. All right, well, Uzi, how do you think they are?
I mean, it's kind of heavy, but it felt kind of good. I was just going really fast, so I don't really even know how it felt.
Yeah, Rick got bodied like 10 times doing it.
Really?
Yeah, trying to grind the whole thing.
Dang, I avoided danger.
You did. What do you think of our recreation of this incredible Instagram idea? Leave it in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video.